Hello guys, hi, Akash Sharma here. Welcome you all to the RAVAN Indicator group, right? I have made specific group to add on all the RAVAN Indicator purchases, guys, right? I have made actually few of the changes. I just want to make a short video that will explain you how exactly the indicator works, how it can help, what are the features which I have added, what are the features I have made the changes. Everything will be discussed in this indicator. Okay, so initially this is the Ravan indicator which I applied on the chart. There is no any features added yet. If you want to add specific updates, you have to go to the indicator settings section. Once you go to the indicator settings section, you will see in the input section, you will see here buy sell. Here you can see previous day high low. This is the previous day high low. If you want to work on previous day high low, you can just check mark this uh, block. Once you check mark this block, your previous day high low will be plotted on the chart. This is high low, everything will be plotted on the chart and you can work it accordingly. Those who don't want this previous day high low, they can uncheck, right? Next is EMA. This once you check mark on EMA, you will get three EMAs here which are already discussed: 7, 21 and 50. These are three EMAs: 7, 21 and 50. Okay, so one of the guy, he told me that sir, I need customization in this specific dashboard. This dashboard is based on 21 EMA, right? This once the 1 minute candle is below 21 EMA, it will show bearish. Once 1 hour candle is below above 21 EMA, it will show bullish. This whole table is based on that. So one guy told me, sir, I need 50, 100 and 500, means 200 EMA to be updated. So dear, you can just update this section, right? Here you can add 50, 100 and 200. It will be automatically plotted on the chart. If you only work 1 to 200 moving average, you can just check first two from the series. This will be last will be a 200 if you add it. Initially it's 50 as per the series, but if you change 50 to 200 in style, you will see the last will be 200, right? So you can customize it accordingly as per your need. Okay, now next is for the mobile users, this dashboard, if you see, it will show very big, right? How you want to you can make the settings. You have to go to the table size. It's normal by default. You can set it by small or tiny, right, as per your need. It depends on you how which what screen mobile you are using. So I would set it to small. So mobile may those who are mobile users, you can add it and make it your indicator smoothness connectivity easily, even for tablet user as well. Okay, now next is support resistance. Many of users say, sir, I didn't get support resistance. Can you please add on my indicator? So this indicator, it's all inclusive, like everything is default, right? Everything comes inside the indicator. Once you click on this SR option, right, you will see the support resistance line will be plotted on the chart, right? These are the support resistance lines. This red line indicate you the resistance line and this green line indicates you the support line. Okay, I hope guys everything is understood to you, how exactly how to work with the indicator and everything. Okay, I hope you are getting understood. So this is the Ravan indicator, and now next another thing, like if you are working on 5 minute time frame and you see all the lines green, not means ignore this current scenario, but if you see all the lines green, means all the resistance has broken. If you see like that, so how you can find the upper resistance, right? If it's working on it's on all-time high, then you can find any resistance. But if you see some specific stock is under all-time high, so once you work on the 5 minute, you can switch to 15 minute or 30 minutes to find the upper resistance. On basis of that, once it break the previous day high level, it will maximum reach to the 30. Means if you find any upper resistance on 30 minutes or 15-minute time frame, once this level break, it will go to that level, and that means from there you will get a bounce back, right? So accordingly you can work it. Okay, now next I'm hiding the support races now. Those who want to use, you can use of this option. Now this is auto trade lines. Auto trade lines help you for detecting what trend is currently going on. So it will be automatically plotted as per the scenario. Once the scenario change, once the specific auto trend lines will be break, it will show the next possible trend for you. Okay, it will be automatically plotted. If you are price action user, you can just check mark this auto trend line bar. It will help you for daily stock selection. Means not for stock selection, exactly you can know how the what is the movement of the stocks. It up, means it's making a rising wedge, it's making declining wedge, it's working, it moving in the range. Everything will be updated via these auto trade lines, right? So default it will be unchecked. Pehle it was you know it was checked. It will be it was coming automatically. Now default it's unchecked, right? So if you don't want, you can uncheck this. And last is VWAP. VWAP, many person use VWAP for trend confirmation. So if you want to use VWAP, you can just check mark on the VWAP bar, right? Once you check mark, the chart will be updated and the VWAP line will be plotted, right? Green and red line will be plotted. This is the VWAP, not moving average. Okay, so once if you do not want to use VWAP, you can just check and VWAP will be hidden. So I hope this specific Ravan indicator is understood, right? I will, make another video as well to update ADX RSI. That below indicator I have made some changes. I'll make that video as well and upload in the group and my YouTube channel. Okay, and another thing, I am making one indicator. I'm not sure how those who have used dashboard indicator. I'm making similar screener actually for Ravan, right? For those who want to work on the trading you free account with the maximum 6 or 7, symbols in the sense those who want to work on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some of the few stocks, they can use that screener to for day-to-day use. It will work in the free account. Whenever in specific stocks you get a buy or sell signal, it will be updated on the trading view, right, via alert, right? In single alert you can set all six I can say assets alert on a free trading account, buy sell whatever it comes. But I'm still it's under a testing phase. I will come up with the update, and it's additional actually, rather than this Raman indicator. That screener is different, but I will update in the few coming. It will take max 12 to 15 days to launch. Just currently it's under the testing phase. Okay, so I hope this is clear. This specific indicator is clear how to use this Ravan indicator. What are the features? How to use the features? And any confusion in below scrolling text, you will find my direct number. You can call me anytime. And thank you. Thanks for your time, guys. Thanks for your precious time. Thank you. Thanks a lot.